So, what would be the suggestion which you would give as you have started in this? You have started making your own products. So, what would be the suggestion which you would make to the people? Hello, guys, welcome to Mitrabhet episode 11. Yes, I am extremely sorry that the episode 11 is coming way too much late than episode 10. But I don't know, it happens with every creator. So वैसा ही कुछ मेरे साथ हो गया था कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था how to begin, how to continue this whole journey. So finally, here I am with some unique guest with myself. This guest is one of my friend, and she has got not one, not two, but three skills which she can share, and three innovative things which she can share with us. Well, instead of me talking about her, why don't you only listen exactly who she is? So let's welcome Nikita Patwardhan. Hello Nikita, how are you?
Hi Pranav, I'm good. How are you? And thank you for having me.
Yeah, I am fine. I am doing quite good. It's been a long while that I have started this journey of Mitrabhet. So yes, we are very glad to have you in episode 11. And speaking about Nikita is a dancer because because अभी ये मेरे को कैसे पता चला, इसके पीछे का बात यह है कि I was just checking out her Instagram and Nikita had uploaded few photos and some videos of her doing Indian classical dance. So, well, Nikita, can you tell us something about your Indian classical dance journey?
Yeah, sure. Actually, Indian classical dance म्हणजे लाईक भरतनाट्यम शिकली आहे मी. आणि आय एम नॉट अ डान्सर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, बट हॉबी म्हणून मी ते सुरू केलेलं. ओके, सो शाळा कॉलेजमध्ये असतानाच मी डान्स क्लास जॉईन केला आणि नांबियार यांच्याकडे मी शिकले. सो मी 7 वर्ष भरतनाट्यम कम्प्लीट केलंय. त्यानंतर आरंगेत्रम सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये लाईक हे केलंय, लाईक कम्प्लीट केलंय. आणि त्याचबरोबर कॉलेजमध्ये युथ फेस्टिवल्सना फोक डान्स सुद्धा लाईक केलाय. सो डान्स इज जस्ट लाईक अ हॉबी फॉर मी अँड इट्स लाईक माय फेवरेट हॉबी.
But I just want to know more about this hobby, honestly speaking, because being a hobby, then too you have learnt so much in this and you have gained so much of achievements. How it all started? Like you used to dance on your own, or like your parents forced you to learn dancing? How it all happened?
नाही, it didn't happen की my parents forced me or something. मला बेसिकली म्युझिक आणि ह्याची आवड होतीच लाईक लहानपणापासनं. आणि असं झालं की मग काहीतरी लाईक वेन यू आर ग्रोईंग अप आपल्याला काहीतरी एक फिजिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटी असावी असं लाईक वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ इट. ओके, सो देन मग ती फिजिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटी काय, अँड देन सिन्स आय लव्ह डान्सिंग आय थॉट की लेट मी जॉईन डान्स इट सेल्फ आणि मग जसं मी डान्स जॉईन केला त्याच्यामध्ये माझी आवड, माझा इंटरेस्ट इन्क्रीज होत गेला. अँड दॅट्स द जर्नी. आय मीन अशीच लाईक सुरुवात झाली त्याची.
Great, and I am pretty sure after looking at the post and the great awesome images of you, you might have a very awesome journey when it comes to dance.
Thank you.
And well, you should keep doing it because the hobby is something which you should nurture and develop.
ये शुअर. म्हणजे इनफॅक्ट आता लग्नानंतर तेवढी रियाज किंवा तेवढी प्रॅक्टिस होत नाही माझी लाईक डान्सची. होत नाही म्हणण्यापेक्षा मीच नाही करत, थोडासा कंटाळा करते. बट आता थँक्स टू द लॉकडाऊन मला एक अपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळाली, म्हणजे हातात तेवढा लाईक वेळ मिळाला. सो आता मी परत डान्सच्या प्रॅक्टिससाठी लाईक सुरुवात केली आहे.
Very good, very good. I'm very glad that lockdown has helped to people develop their hobbies, to be honest. Okay, now talking about your Instagram profile, I have not just seen your images of dancing, but I have also seen you coming up with photos with various Marathi film industry people, and is there some connection of you with the Marathi film industry? Are you working in the Marathi film industry? Can you tell us something about it?
Yeah, see, working in the Marathi film industry म्हणण्यापेक्षा मी असं सांगेन की 12वी नंतर जे प्रोफेशनल सब्जेक्ट जो जे आपल्याला लाईक सब्जेक्ट चूज करावा लागतो, सो तो मी मास मीडिया लाईक चूज केलेला. ओके, अँड सिन्स इट वॉज मास मीडिया
Okay,
आय डिड
yeah.
माय मास्टर्स ऑल्सो इन द सेम सब्जेक्ट. ओके, आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला इंटर्नशिप्सनी स्टार्ट करावं लागतं. सो मी इंटर्नशिप करत होते संजय जाधव लाईक ह्यांच्याकडे. सो फिल्म दुनियादारी सगळ्यांनाच लाईक माहिती आहे. सो दुनियादारी वॉज माय फर्स्ट फ्रीलान्स जॉब, आणि दॅट इज वेअर इट ऑल
Wow.
स्टार्टेड. या, सो आय डिड अ कपल ऑफ फिल्म्स विथ हिम. सो आणि आता मी फ्रीलान्स म्हणजे लाईक फ्रीलान्समध्ये लाईक जॉब करते, असिस्टंट लाईक प्रोड्युसर म्हणून. आय वर्क विथ योगेश वाडकर. या,
Okay.
सो बेसिकली असं झालं की
Nice,
आधी आय
very
डिड
nice.
फिल्म्स आणि आता आय वर्क विथ फॅशन फोटोग्राफर्स. सो बेसिकली ॲड फिल्म्स किंवा ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग
Okay.
ब्रँड्सचे जे फोटोशूट लाईक लागतं करायला, आता आय लुक इन टू
Okay.
दॅट स्टफ.
Yes. Wow. Very nice. So you might have the behind the camera wala experience
राईट
when
राईट.
it comes
सो
to movie
प्रोडक्शन
making
डिरेक्शन
and
हां लाईक दोन्हीचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे मला. कारण असं म्हटलं जातं की जेव्हा तुम्ही प्रोडक्शनमध्ये लाईक यु नो लाईक वेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन दॅट लाईक पर्टिक्युलर फील्ड, सो तुम्हाला सगळ्या फील्डचं एक नॉलेज येतं. सो आय स्टार्टेड ऑफ विथ दॅट.
So guys, we have someone who has the gossip and the knowledge of the film industry which is happening behind the scenes. But yes, we are not here to talk about it, and I don't even want to talk about it because बहुत कुछ होते रहता है, हर जगह पे होते रहता है, and you should not think about it. Okay, well, everyone will tell me ki Pranav, I have seen a dancer coming on your platform. I have seen an artist coming on your platform. What is special about Nikita? Well, Nikita has her own startup, and yes, this whole range of Mitrabhat episode is going to be of people having their own startup, which they are actually, they are coming up with a product and they are selling it to the people and something like that. So yes, here Nikita has her own startup, which she had started in, I think, a few years ago, and the startup is known as Peace Lily. So can you please tell us something about the startup itself?
Okay, so basically me and my friend Manisha Kelkar, we both have launched this brand known as
Okay.
Peace Lily. Okay, so the thought process was
Okay.
as such that we saw so many kids, like out there, they were wearing this synthetic stuff and all. And synthetic stuffचा एकच advantage आहे की it is like little cheap in price, but then if you see the feel of the garment and all, so it's not
Okay.
that comfortable like to the kids, so then initially we felt ki let's make something in pure cotton, okay, in these hand block prints and all, which will add up some grace and especially some nice comfort to the children as well, so that's how like we started ki chalo now let's do something for them.
Okay, so now talking as we have known about Peace Lily. Peace Lily makes garments for children which are 100% pure cotton. But I am quite curious to know the name, and उसके पीछे अगर कुछ story है तो why Peace Lily was the name which you came up with, and how you came up with this name?
Yeah, see, actually initially when we like decided कि चलो now since like product launch कर रहे हैं तो then let's do it a brand itself, and then we did the tagging and stuff, all that. And initially when we were just googling out names, we were like कि अरे क्या रखे stuff. So then we wanted something which is positive also, and if you know, Peace Lily it's a name of a plant. Like which we thought itself is like very like positive, and then we found it like little cute also, and it like we could relate it like to the kids, so that's how we concluded the name like Peace Lily for the brand.
Nice, but the name is actually, the name itself has peace in it. So, but obviously it is quite eye-catchy and it is very nice. Speaking about garments are something which, people are quite close to because they use it daily, and they, they make sure that the quality of the garment is quite important when it comes to buy something.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
म्हणजे
Of course.
our experience for this was ki all the moms who like go out shopping for their kids, the hand feel of the garment is extremely important to them. Okay, and that is
Okay.
what like cotton offers you, and that is what our like thought process was. That the
Okay.
USP of this brand is the hand feel of the garment, which
Okay.
itself looks extremely rich.
Okay. So, speaking, what I wanted to ask was, what was the initial response when you all started with the customers and, of course, the people in your surrounding? How was their response when Peace Lily actually started?
So initially when we started off, obviously since it's a new brand, it's a new range. We found that some were a little skeptical. Okay, but of course, like when they actually visited our exhibition booths, when they saw the hand feel of the garment, when they saw the styles, when they saw the soothing palettes around, and that is when Peace Lily, it basically like this thing like flourish झालं. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And secondly, like what happened is word of mouth actually like worked for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Word of mouth in the sense, people talking about the product
Yeah.
to the people.
People speaking
And,
about our brand. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically,
And passing
words
on the
mouth is something
information,
which you can say
like
that.
to the next person.
Yeah. Well, I was just wanted to talk about words, people's like words which are going to come up, and people tell everyone, and indirectly people only become the advertiser of the product, which is very important whenever it comes to consumer B2C wala business firms. And yes, it is quite important, and that should work out. And I'm very glad that it happened with you guys. And yes, we are going to come up with some reviews from the parents who have used the garments, like maybe for more than a while. Yeah, and I will be putting few clips, as you can see, from the next moment.
Hi everyone, my name is Richa and I'm a loyal customer of Peace Lily. A few months ago I had bought a kurta for my 2-year-old toddler. Here it is. It's very cute and I loved it the moment I saw it. So Nikita has an amazing collection of clothes which are made out of cotton. So they are organic and they are pretty sustainable, and that's the thing that I loved about them. And some amazingly fresh colors that she has, and the patterns and the choices that she makes while stitching them are simply too good. And I had bought this about 8 months back and it still fits, and it's amazing. And even if after you wash it, it's still great, even after multiple washes. So the quality of the fabric is really good, much better than what you generally get online. And it's made in India, so we know that we all need to support local brands, something that's made by our own friends. So definitely I'll be supporting it throughout. Okay, all the best, Nikita.
Hi, I'm Swati Bhatia and I'm here to speak about a brand known as Peace Lily. I met Nikita and Manisha in one of our exhibitions. I visited their stall, and the best part of their brand is that it's a fusion of traditional and western. Now the material is so soft that the kids also love it. The colors are so fresh that kids love it. And I had also customized few dresses for my daughter from Peace Lily. And I'm looking forward to buy more from Peace Lily, and I wish them all the best. And I'm just waiting when this lockdown will get over and when we'll start with the exhibitions again and meet Nikita and Manisha to get more stuff. Thank you.
Well, now Peace Lily has started, And Peace Lily, exactly how many months have passed or how many years have passed when Peace Lily has started till now?
Yeah, see, honestly, we started off in 2017 end. Okay. So initially we began with exhibitions and stuff,
Okay.
so that we come to know the actual response, the actual feedback, of our clients. And then when
Okay,
we thought
okay.
that we got a good
Okay.
response for our first exhibition, like kind of a thing, and then gradually we both then we were like, now chalo, now let's do it, that kind. Of course, but when you consider the future, initially like the pre-lockdown stage, that time we were
Okay.
like, "Ki, let's pitch some retailers and stuff,
Okay,
but then
okay.
thank God we did not do it. I mean, considering the market scenario, like, on this date. So now we would set up it, online, like through our Instagram page or through our Facebook page. Or,
Okay.
I mean, yeah, I think online is the only thing, like we can like do it right now.
So the question was ki if one of my friend or some of my friends are interested in starting their own garment range for maybe adults, maybe for boys or maybe just for girls, so what would be the suggestion which you would give as you have started in this, you have started making your own products, so what would be the suggestion which you would make to the people?
Yeah, so honestly, me and my friend like Manisha, like both our personal experience was ki, you need a lot of patience in this. Okay, it's not an overnight journey that you get success. Okay, secondly, market research and is extremely important. Like you should know that what is selling, at the day in the like market, what is the price range and stuff. So I think research, patience, and yeah, like money. You need a
Okay.
good amount to
Okay,
flourish
great.
it, basically. Yeah.
Okay. One moving ahead, I actually want to know exactly the date when Peace Lily started.
Okay, I think the date was 7th of May 2017. Yeah, actually our first
Okay. So in the month of May,
our
म्हणजे
first exhibition
after the whole
was in the
lockdown
month
and all
of,
happened, उसके बाद.
August. Okay. 2017 August. Okay. But then we came up with a workshop with our own master
Okay.
tailor at the end of the year,
Okay.
like around 5th of November, like 2017, when
Okay.
we had started off with our like khud ka master tailor
Okay.
and stuff.
Okay. So now, actually, what I want to ask is ki people after the whole lockdown began, people were scared about their business or their startup ideas, and they were also losing hope and all. Then too, taking the risk and making it the idea work out is something which was completely beyond expectations. So what was your strategy while starting this whole idea, the whole process, even though the whole COVID situation was happening, and then too you wanted to come up with this idea? So what was the strategy exactly for starting the whole startup itself?
Basically, the strategy was, just to provide people with some organic stuff instead of synthetic, to let them know that hand feel is more important than all the jazzy stuff, that they wear. And if you say regarding the COVID situation, see, the thing is that births are going to take place, kids are going to grow. So, as you know, food, clothing, and shelter, like there is no way that you can escape like these three things, So we were like really not skeptical, like whether log purchase karenge ya like nahi karenge, stuff like that. You need clothes, yeah. I mean, that is like food, clothing, and shelter is
Okay.
like your basic thing. So yeah.
So Okay, guys, so as you have seen the reviews from the people, as we have mentioned, you can surely check out their website. I will be giving the links in the description box. You can check her out. And also, thank you so much, Nikita, for coming up in Mitrabet episode and actually, encouraging me to start a whole episode 11 and further series, because even I was feeling low a while ago, but it okay. Wow, I am rhyming right now. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching this video till here. अगर वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है तो please make sure that you hit the like button and also share it with your friends and also comment down below कि तुम लोग को ये वीडियो में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया. Well, Mitrabet has completed its 11 episode, so please make sure that you check out the highlights video which I have made on Instagram, and the link of the highlight video is also in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching till here. Have a good day.